Welcome back to the Big Red F. I am going to be changing out a three-way light switch that's right by this exterior door in the master bathroom that controls the floodlight there on the patio, as well as it's connected to the backlight that is on the deck. Unfortunately for the camera angle, I didn't realize at the time, but I was covering the light switch, taking it off. It actually came off pretty easily. So as I inspected the wires, I realized this is a three-way switch, which I kind of knew, but I didn't think about. And all the switches I have are regular switches, which means after a quick run to Home Depot, I got the appropriate three-way switch. I actually bought another one so I can replace the other switch there in the kitchen, which I'll do later. And I proceed to change out the switch. Finished putting the faceplate on there, and quick flip, and everything's good.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.